Hello Adventure Amigos. It is 2 years later and we are back in Bernal. This is day 4 of our little road trip we've got this year, and we're on our way to Querétaro from
San Miguel de
Allende, but we're making a quick stop at this amazing site in Pena de Bernal. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey guys, we just got to Querétaro from Pena de Bernal. It was about an hour drive from there, and before that it was about an hour and a half drive from San Miguel de Allende to Pena de Bernal. We're staying at the Hotel Real Alemeda Gran Turismo. Let's have a quick look. So we got separate shower, separate toilet, and this is kind of funky. The sink and the mirror is right in the middle of the room, so that's kind of interesting. King size bed, TV. I think we've got in-room AC, but I don't see a fridge, which is okay. Anyway, guys, we'll see you on the street. Bienvenidos.
Welcome to Querétaro.
Hey friends, it's our second time in Querétaro and our second time at the Sky Garden.
We did a little bit of walking around today, saw the aqueduct, which is really cool. On our first time here, we did a bit more exploration. So if you want to see that, you should go check out the other video. Chuck will link it below in the description.
Until next time, guys, Salud!
Salud!
Oh, Jessica, you strong.